Here we go, Hobbybox604 back with another toonie break. It is our last toonie break of the year. Group break number 513, a box of 13-14 Panini Contenders. First time we're doing this, probably the last time too, because this is below cost. Just wanted to do one for the end of the year and finish the year strong. So here we go. Good luck, everyone. Let's see what we get. We have a few spots left in some of the other ones. So let's go ahead and fill that. Empty. Okay, here we go. If we see a patch, we're gonna do it at the end. Good luck. Pack 1 is all base. Pack 2, we have a hit for the Islanders, number 461 of 499. John Tavares, Heart Contenders. Base. So we get this down a little bit. There you go. Well, we have a quad for San Jose. Patrick Marleau, Joe Thornton, Dan Boyle, and Marty Havlat. Quad auto for the San Jose Sharks. Not bad. San Jose is... Who has San Jose? That is Keith. Keith has San Jose. Base. Yay! He's happy.
This could be a hot box.
For the Pittsburgh Penguins, rookie ticket autograph, Jeff Zatkoff.
I got this exact same box.
That's Keith again.
Go Keith.
John Merrill? You hated John Merrill?
If John Merrill comes, then that's
the exact same box that I bought.
Same box as yours. Is that the one with the gold?
Could be.
Let's see.
No, it can't be because the gold wouldn't have that four-way.
Oh, nice. We have a biography autograph, number 71 of 99 for the San Jose Sharks, Antti Niemi.
It's all Keith.
Antti Niemi for the Sharks. Nice on-card autograph there, 71 of 99.
This is a hot box.
What do they look like? Huh.
This doesn't appear to be a hot box.
For the Boston Bruins, Cup Contenders, Milan Lucic, 456 of 499. Base. 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 No patch, nope. For the Dallas Stars, number 429 of 499, Selke Contenders, Sean Horkoff. Big hit, Andy. Two packs left. Rookie for the Montreal Canadiens, to 600, Patrick Holland. And the last pack is for the Islanders, Anders Lee, rookie ticket autograph. Anders Lee for the Islanders. So there you go, boys and girls. Group break number 513 is in the books. We'll be back shortly.